In front of me is OnePlus 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. If you want to adjust any settings of your alarm, use those three dots at the top right corner here. Select settings and operate all of those. To create a new alarm, use this button at the bottom and then adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then hit ring once. Work days, you can adjust each one, or custom to pick days of the week manually. Then hit alarm name to name it. Hit ringtone to pick any of those melodies. Log in into Spotify or hit on this device to pick any song from your smartphone and set it up. Then tap on vibrate to pick one of those patterns. Disable vibrations or synchronize them with current ringtone. Go back again, hit snooze, decide how many minutes it will take, how many times it will repeat, or even if you want to use it by clicking on this switcher next to snooze to turn it off or on. Go back and tap on done at the top right corner to create your new alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes to it, click on it, adjust whatever you want to and hit done again. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options. To get rid of it, you need to hold it and click delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!